Hello everybody, it's me, Geek VonDOOM, and today we're playing more ASTRONEER. As you can see, just barely missed a giant sandstorm, rock of death storm, cuboid death thing. So I just hopped in there so I could be alive when I started this video. That's nice. So, picking up right where we left off, I did actually do some research on new items that I haven't done before. So we have new items for the truck, and that's what we're going to be doing today, is getting even more research using the truck, and seeing all of its uses and usefulnesses. Well, not all of them, because I don't quite have everything yet. For instance, there's a giant crane and or winch system and or drill system that attaches to the truck, which is something that I don't have yet, but hopefully during the course of this episode, we will find them. So, first off, I have the truck in position to be upgraded. Let's see here. I am going to be building today, not a 3-seat, a storage unit. That's one of the items that I got off of the thing. The research. Boom, and boom. And boom. As I stated in the last episode, it turns these 4 2 slots into, or these two slots rather, into 4 2 slots, or as it were, 8 small slots, like so. The carrying capacity can be further upgraded by adding storage units, like so. I'm going to put you right here. There we go. Now, as you can see here, it does have its own power storage, and that's good. I usually like to add an additional large battery onto it, but unfortunately, as it turns out, I haven't found enough lithium for one of those yet. So, we're going to just go ahead and chance it, but to make things a little bit easier on me, we're going to make another solar panel. There we go. That way, the vehicle will recharge in the daylight. So that's good as well, and we'll be able to go on an adventure to find strange new things to boldly go where no chubby astronaut has gone before. So this episode is going to mostly focus on exploration and the sort. Here's a piece of wreckage that I saw earlier and I really wanted to check out. Around here, there could be all kinds of cool research. Have I been here? I don't know. I can't remember if I've been here or not. Oh well, let's check it out. Oh, what do you know? Materials. Alright, what are you? Copper? I've got plenty of copper. I really don't need resin. Is there anything up there that's just out of my reach? No? Okay, more copper. You know what? I'm going to put what I have on my truck. So I forgot to clear out my inventory before we left. Let's see here. Q. Definitely going to need this lithium to upgrade the truck's battery capacity. That'll be nice. Is there anything else around here? Maybe some research? Oh, there it is. Good, good, good. I think. Is that research? Is that what you are? Did I pick you up? Nope. Okay. I don't know what that is. Rawr. You, another piece to a solar panel. Maybe something here. Ah. Still can't pick that up. Maybe these things will be used later on in the game. Kind of like building a giant solar panel. That'd be cool. I would so be down for that. Like an endless supply of power or instant recharging. Alright, I think I saw another one on the horizon. Gotta keep in mind where my home base is so I don't get lost. Which has happened before. Oh, there's two of them. Good, good, good. Alright, we'll head to this one next. I like the way it looks. Ooh, calm it down there, mister. Okay, let's see what you got for me. Anything in here? Looks like a one seat I can grab. Oh, I guess I can't grab it. Well, okay then. This would be a good emergency. Ooh, I cannot see. Come on, work with me, camera. Emergency. Like shelter in case of a storm or something along those lines. That'd be kind of cool. Let's see. I'm going to dig down a little bit deeper and see if there's anything underneath. Got you down here. Nope. Alright then. Moving right along. Let's go hit that next spot. Or is there anything else around here I missed? Oh yeah, there's this thing. I don't know what this thing is. Nothing underneath it. Oh well. So apparently not every piece of wreckage has research. Either that or it's buried just underneath the surface and I have not found it. Oh, okay. Yep, there it is. This one. I've got a good feeling about you. In fact, I think I can already see something. Yes, good. Alright. Hop out there. Dig you up. I can dig you up. There we go. Put you on that 2 slot since you fit so nicely. Oh, another nice piece. Some titanium. Excellent. Well, I don't see any more research, and I don't think I need. I can tell you what is this? Copper again? Yeah, more copper. You know, I'm just gonna take one. Who knows? I don't want to fill up my storage with all of this. You out here just cuz. There we go. Alright, let's see if I've gotten myself lost yet. So there's that, so which means the home base is over towards this wreckage. Yeah, I see the little marker coming out of the cloud. Okay. There we go. Let's continue on our journey. Now, I'm not for sure, but I think research pieces that come off a spacecraft, like, you know, the guy I've got on back right there, is going to be more advanced stuff than stuff you can grab off of plants. Possibly. I'm not 100% on that. I assume since it's more rare, that maybe it is worth more. That kind of deal. Oh, it looks like we got some wreckage over there, but no way to get across. I'm going to go hop out right quick and make myself a way myself. There, this looks like a fairly busy canyon. Little cave systems everywhere. That's good. So, right, control for the smoothing tool. Get a nice flat circle there. That ought to do it. As you can see, I'm also provided power and oxygen from the truck. Surprisingly enough, it doesn't seem to deplete the power supply of my truck. Or maybe the solar panel's regenerating it too fast for it to count. Alright, what do you have? Ooh, more lithium. Good. Now, I know I haven't shown you any of naturally occurring lithium or titanium or whatever the other ones are, but they are around. I haven't found them yet. They're actually more plentiful on the other planets, from what I understand. Organic, okay. For some reason I thought that said oregano. Maybe I'm hungry. There we go. I think that's it for useful items. Unless this is, I can't tell, same as that, which is copper. Okay. Check around for research, and good. Alright, there's some research. Still not the right button. There we are. Right, yeah, you can't put that back there. What am I thinking? Put you right there. And head on back. We are temporarily full. I got 2 lithium, which means I'll be able to upgrade a wee bit here, so that'll do nicely. Now, let's see, I need to find the land bridge. Right there, good. I'm kind of orienteering my way back. There we go. Okay, so I think the wrecks were this way. I think. Yep, okay, good. Looks like I'm getting back just in time for the sun to be setting, so that's just amazing. That way I wouldn't have run out of power. Of course, if the truck runs out of power, if you haven't guessed already, it doesn't work anymore. You can recharge it, of course, but until such a time, you are without a supply of oxygen or power. Maybe not a supply of oxygen. I'm not actually sure on that. I've never actually been in a situation like that. But even so, there are places all around the place, like this oxygen fountain right here, that you can resupply at. Even grabbing some power from a power fountain or power crystals and placing it on the truck will actually recharge the truck as well. Alright. That'll do. Make sure you're plugged up there. Maybe. Come on. You can do it. There we go. Get this research going. And it is power cells. Power cells work like my little battery on my backpack right here, except they're one-time use. So it's kind of a good thing that I got the battery first. Not that I actually made it. Oh no! Alright, well, I'm gonna pause right here and I'll be back once power starts coming back to my base. Alright, well, it's fully recharged. That's... oh. Another one? Man. That's a big one, too. And moving really quickly. So off I go into the safety of my habitat. I do want to reiterate how devastating a storm like this would actually be. I would be absolutely terrified of rocks falling from the sky, even if it's just a single rock. Like, the chance of a rock falling out of the sky, every storm, would just suck a lot. Can you imagine hurricane season? There would be no East Coast. Half of Texas would be obliterated. There would be no New Orleans. Or Louisiana. That's the state. Ha! I'm good at geography. Okay, so next I need to go over here to this printer. Oh wait, no, I need to go grab the jobby-doos. That's one jobby-doo. That's the other jobby-doo. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to go ahead and get this research done and see what secrets it holds for me. And it is. Habitat. Good. Now I can make another habitat, like the one I have here, where I hid from the storm, so I can begin creating a new base elsewhere, on this planet or another. While I am here, let's see here, battery, 2 lithium, boom, boom, bam. Now I have a battery or capacitor, either for my base or for a truck. These things are really handy when you're starting a new base too. I'm going to put you on the other side next to the storage unit. Yep, there we go. As you can see, it is slowly filling. And I'll be filling even faster than the sun is up. Hooray! Usefulness. Oop. Alright then. Let's see here. Alright, I believe the next step is going to be making... Let's see here. There's a bigger version of the shuttle. I forgot what it's called. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get the research done to get the larger craft. I'll also be making a hydrazine production plant, or I forgot exactly what the name of it is, but it will be very useful. I'm going to put you, actually, I think I've got enough to get things started. There we go. Any more resin laying around? Nope. But that's where I'm going to go ahead and put my hydrazine fuel condenser. There we go. Hydrazine fuel condenser. So I can generate my own hydrazine, so I can fuel the shuttle and or larger craft that I forgot the name of. I realize this is kind of inside of a rock, and that doesn't look too good. But, who knows? Maybe we'll clear the rock out. I know that hasn't been the case with most of this structure. There's a few rocks inside of everything, but if it doesn't look good, I'll make it look good. So I guess questions still remain. Which planet will I go to? What more can I build onto this base to make it even more badass? The answers to these and more next time on VonDOOM Gaming.